So I'm trying to install a cancelling start-stop module from AliExpress. This is the module. So you install this on the button. It bypasses the circuit that goes straight up to the button, and it initiates the button pressing upon starting the car after 5 seconds or so. So up to now I have only unscrewed 2 screws. The one was to remove this panel and the other was to remove this panel. This panel screw was this one, and I just squeezed the panel like this. Look, they have a flex, so I squeeze it and drag it open. This was a bit harder to remove. It had only one screw that is somewhere right here. I will show it upon assembly again. And now I removed the clip, and now I will insert the cable here, and then the other part of the cable where I removed it from the button. So this is the module. I inserted the one end here where the button was initially, and the other here. Now we will start the car and we will test if the module works or not. Let me find the keys. Here are the keys. I have to press the brake pedal. If everything is installed correct. And now you see automatically it pushed the button. Okay, so the module works. Now if I want to cancel it, I press again the button and it shuts it off. If I press again the button, it initiates again. So let's close the car. Let's test again the module, and I will reassemble the plastic trims. After a few seconds, it will press the button. Right.